Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099 NEC on H&R Block. First, ensure you have all your income and expense documents ready. You'll need to access your H&R Block online account or software to begin the process. This method simplifies reporting your non-employee compensation, guiding you through each step efficiently. Gathering your information beforehand makes the entire filing experience much smoother and quicker. Once logged in, navigate to the income section of your H&R Block software. Look for the option specifically for Form 1099 NEC or non-employee compensation. Here, you will accurately input the payer's details and the total amount reported in Box 7. Double-check these figures to ensure they match your physical or digital Form 1099 NEC exactly, preventing any discrepancies. After entering your income, move to the Business Expenses or Self-Employment section. This is crucial for reducing your taxable income. Carefully input all your eligible business expenses, such as office supplies, mileage, or home office deductions. H&R Block will guide you through common categories, helping you identify every possible deduction to maximize your savings. Finally, take your time to thoroughly review all the information you've entered. H&R Block provides a comprehensive review process to catch any potential errors or omissions. Once you are confident everything is accurate and complete, you can proceed to the final steps to electronically file your tax return. Congratulations, you've successfully filed your Form 1099 NEC.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.